I think when I went into film, I don't even know whether there was any woman before that in my community. See, Eman was born when I was still studying at the Film Institute. First 5 years of Eman's life, I was in reality a single parent. And I had a whole community of people who helped to look after Eman, including my warden, हमारी हॉस्टल की जो कुक थी, हमारे बस के ड्राइवर थे, उनकी फैमिली थी. At the same time, I was also struggling to earn a living because I had to take care of Eman. मुझे तो बहुत faith है,
हाँ,
you know,
हाँ,
that things will be okay. कर लेगा इंसान, कुछ ना कुछ तो जिंदगी में कर ही लेगा. कभी आपके पास 100 रुपए भी होते हैं और कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है.
Right.
And believe me, that's the way it's been with me. When I was left alone with Eman the day that I realized कि this is over, I had 200 rupees. My first film which I did, I knew कि नहीं ये मेरा काम नहीं है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता.
You did a film.
I did lots of films at FTI. आदमी अपने आप को सच प्रूव करने के लिए ना कुछ भी हार सकता है.
Absolutely.
But the desire to be right is so strong in each one of us कि मैं सही हूँ.
Right.
उसके लिए आप अपना घर बार, रिलेशनशिप्स, प्यार व्यार सब सैक्रिफाइस कर सकते हो, पर मुझे जीतना है. आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पेरेंट्स गिव अप ऑल्सो थिंकिंग कि अरे मैं तो पूछती हूँ पर ये बताती नहीं है. दे डोंट टॉक टू मी. इट्स नॉट एन ऑटोमेटिक थिंग ना
Yeah.
कि आप पूछोगे और जवाब मिल जाएगा.
It takes time.
आपको 50 बार पूछना पड़ेगा.
For them to have faith in you.
Yeah, like I got married the second time. वो एक नई रिलेशनशिप को संभालना
Acceptance.
और नए घर को, नई फैमिली को संभालना, all those things have impacted. There are just few key moments in your life जहाँ पर किसी व्यक्ति ने आपको एक सेंटेंस कहा है, बहुत सारी कोई बात नहीं की है, एक सेंटेंस कहा है और वो एक सेंटेंस आपका पूरा नजरिया बदल देती है.
सच बात है.
Not let the world's experiences make you lose your own kindness, your own joy,
Your essence.
your essence.
नमस्ते. आप सबका स्वागत है चित की बात आरती नागपाल के साथ. रियल लाइफ हीरोज. हमारे जीवन में कितने लोग ऐसे आसपास हैं जो हमें इंस्पायर करते हैं, खास करके हमारे घर के अंदर. हमारे घर में रहने वाली हमारी माँ, हमारा घर संवारने वाली हमारी फैमिली मेंबर्स, बहन हो, माँ हो, भाभी हो, anybody and everybody who makes a difference in our life, that person is a hero. आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही सुंदर फिल्म मेकर, राइटर, होम मेकर एंड अ ब्लॉगर बातुल मुख्तियार जी हैं, जिनकी जिंदगी बहुत ही सुंदर है. आपका स्वागत है.
Thank you, Aarti.
थैंक यू. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for calling me here. I've seen your show and I really think it's very inspiring what you're doing.
Thank
And
you.
I'm very privileged to be a part of it.
How sweet, how sweet. I feel, Batul ji, that हम बाहर में like we think that के जो बॉर्डर पे हैं वो हीरो हैं, या जो डॉक्टर्स जब ये पैंडेमिक में आगे चलकर आए तो वो हीरो हैं, या वी ऑलवेज, हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा होता है कि हमारे सिवा जो कोई भी काम कर रहा है वो हीरोइक है और वो बहुत महान काम कर रहा है. पर मेरी नज़र में एक घर में घर संवारने वाली एक महिला सबसे बड़ी हीरोइन है, सबसे बड़ा हीरो है मेरी लाइफ में, क्योंकि मैंने मेरी माँ को देखा है. शी हैज़ रियली टेकन केयर ऑफ मी एंड माई सिस्टर वेरी वेल. और मेरे लिए जो होम मेकर्स होते हैं ना, उनकी मैं पदवी सबसे ऊपर रखना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि उनके बिना ये पूरा सिस्टम ही फेल है, नहीं चल सकता.
डेफिनेटली, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि ये तो कोई एक्चुअली कहने की बात ही
बात
नहीं
ही
है,
नहीं है.
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कभी हमारी सोसाइटी में उतना महत्व नहीं दिया जाता है
जी,
इस काम को या इस रोल को.
यस, यस.
But I think people are also now realizing the importance of a family and a home and what it takes to actually make a home, you know.
Yes, yes.
It's not just a question of कि आपने किसी को पैसे दे दिए और काम करवा लिया, ऐसा
नहीं,
नहीं होता है.
नहीं,
There are
नहीं.
so many things to holding a family and a home together, as I'm sure you yourself
Yes,
are aware, you
yes,
know, with
yes,
two
yes.
children of your own.
यस, डेफिनेटली. आपके नाम के आगे मैंने जो कोई भी एडजेक्टिव्स लगाए हैं बिसाइड्स दैट, आप मेरी बेटी की लाइक हमारी दोनों बेटियां फ्रेंड्स हैं
Yeah.
और हम दोनों बाय डिफॉल्ट फ्रेंड बन जाते
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah,
तो वो भी एक फ्रेंडशिप का हमारे दोनों के
Yeah.
बीच में एक बॉन्ड है. तो
definitely.
उसका भी महत्व बहुत ज्यादा है.
Definitely. Because I think कि जब आपके स्पेशली जब आपके बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, जब छोटे होते हैं तो लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप्स आर बाय डिफॉल्ट,
Yes,
कि आप स्कूल में साथ में हैं या आसपास रहते हैं तो आप खेल रहे हैं साथ में. बट एज यू ग्रो ओल्डर आपकी फ्रेंडशिप्स बहुत सोच समझ के होती है.
Definitely.
आपकी वैल्यू सिस्टम मैच कर रही है या नहीं, आप जिस तरह से दुनिया को देखते हैं उसका कहीं ना कहीं वेवलेंथ मैच होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक.
एब्सोल्युटली.
So I think that Priyanshi and Eman have come together at a later stage in their lives. So that friendship is very valuable, and it reflects your value system as well.
Yes.
So yeah, definitely.
Badal ji, before like I ask you your any question like which is related to your life, I want to like praise you for the film which you made, Kitty Kelly Ki Diwali, where my son got associated with you, and it was his first film as a music director.
Yeah.
And his music played a like parallel role with both the heroines. So thank you for that. And that film is very very, I really appreciate that, and I'm looking forward कि वो किट्टी कैली की दिवाली कब लोगों के सामने आए. So I would like to know, when is it going to come in front of like in some OTT or somewhere?
It's very difficult to say honestly, because एक तो उसकी length is a little bit of an odd length.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have also been trying to promote it, if we can sell it as a series. And we have been sending it to festivals. It's
Yeah.
gone to some festivals already. तो वही जो जर्नी इस तरह की बहुत छोटी इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म है,
Yeah.
बहुत लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज में बनाई हुई है, तो उसके लिमिटेशंस के साथ जो भी जर्नी होती है, यू नो हाउ इट गोज.
Yes, I want to appreciate you क्योंकि मुझे पता है आपने और आपकी बेटी ने and your husband, all three of you have done so many multiple roles
या
to complete that film,
या
and it's such a beautiful film.
या
You can literally see के मतलब कमाल का काम किया हुआ है. कमाल, genuinely कमाल का काम किया हुआ है.
I think a lot of it came from Eman's writing also.
Yes.
And then Vivek's, entire vision of how he wanted to direct it, and he added so many more layers to it.
Yeah.
तो दोनों का एक, both of them had very strong ideas.
Yes, yes.
Which were sometimes in coordination, sometimes they were clashing. But whatever, that there was a lot of energy, there was a lot of power
Yes.
to both their ideas.
Yeah, yeah.
So it turned out, quite strong, quite a strong film. That
आप बीच में
मतलब आई थिंक वो मेरा रोल जिंदगी भर का है, बीच में
balancing act.
balancing. Yeah. I mean, I also have my own strong, opinions, and मेरी अपनी कुछ idiosyncrasies है, जैसे
100%.
सबकी होती है. But
100%.
yeah, I think just I think by nature maybe also I'm more trying to always
yeah,
balance
always.
things. Yeah.
walk together,
Yeah.
go along.
Yeah.
वैसे भी मतलब मेरी नानी या फैमिली में जो माँ होती है उनका रोल मोस्टली ऐसा ही हो जाता है कि आपको सबको साथ में लेकर चलना है और साथ में जोड़ कर रखना है,
Yeah.
टूटने नहीं देना है, एंड देन वी ग्रो टुगेदर.
I definitely agree because, like, when I think of who I was as a person before Eman was born, I don't even recognize that person, you know. I feel कि हाँ वो थी एक लड़की जिसका मतलब I was so much in my like my you know you have the luxury to be your own self. You are arrogant, you are confident, you are everything. You think कि like दुनिया मेरी है.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
the minute you have a kid, so many things come in, you know.
Yeah.
You realize कि आप अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, कुछ नहीं हो.
Right.
Like you need so many people around to nurture that child, to take care of that child, to you know you have to maintain your relationships with so many people to make sure that your child is
Taken care
of, is healthy, is so you learn, you know,
yes.
that no, you alone cannot do anything.
Absolutely.
So that girlishness or you know that goes away automatically and you learn to कि हाँ, you learn the art of negotiation, you learn everything.
Basically you have to like understand कि you have basically हम जीवन में सारी चीजों को अपने संयम में लाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि जो फ्लैम्बॉयंस है, जो एरोगेंस है, जो ड्रामा है, जो एटीट्यूड
Yeah.
थ्रो करते हैं, वो अब हमारा सब कुछ झेलने वाला कोई है नहीं और कोई हमको उस तरीके के टेंट्रम्स दिखाने वाला है. जब माँ बन जाते हैं तो बच्चों के तो सारे टेंट्रम्स सहन करने ही पड़ते हैं.
Yeah,
So naturally that role shifts.
that role shifts. Yeah,
And then we realize that how much our mother
yeah,
has taken care of us for us to be the way we are. How free and bold and like how
yeah,
kind of personality we have become.
yeah. So also like see, Eman was born when I was still studying at the Film Institute.
Okay, okay.
So that itself was like a major event and वो माहौल भी अलग था. अभी के फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट में वो सोच भी नहीं सकते हो because it's a very different kind of environment. But at that time it was like a very more homely an environment. It was just a very few students on campus. So we had a lot of care, you know. So effectively, and then I had a very complicated relationship with her father. So effectively, like for the first 5 years of Eman's life, I was almost like not technically, but actually in reality, a single parent. And while I was at the institute, I was studying, I had to make films, I had to go to class. And I had a whole community of people who helped to look after Eman, you know, including my warden, हमारी हॉस्टल की जो कुक थी, हमारे ड्राइवर बस के ड्राइवर जो मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट के जो ड्राइवर थे उनकी फैमिली थी, and you know other friends or you know
Colleagues who are
colleagues.
working with you
So
or
there
who
were
are training
so
with you.
many people who pitched in to help and take care of Eman कि सब मेरा arrogance सब धुल गया उसमें, you know. I felt कि like I
Gratitude.
didn't, yeah, absolutely. I mean, I didn't even, sometimes I would not even understand कि ये लोग मेरी मदद क्यों कर रहे हैं, you know, why are they? Because मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है उनसे, ना मैंने उनको कुछ दिया हुआ है.
True.
And they are all just in love with this kid and they are so happy, like you know, मैं ले जाऊं क्या, you know. So it's like you realize the different
World altogether.
yeah,
Where
different
love is
form
there.
of the universe,
Yes,
you
yes,
know. You
yes.
realize कि नहीं उसके पहले शायद आपका मेरा सोचना तो एटलीस्ट वाज वेरी यू नो जैसे होता है एट अ वेरी यंग एज और लाइक वेरी ब्लैक एंड वाइट एंड बहुत जजमेंटल होते हो ना कि सब ये ऐसा है ये वैसा है इस तरह से ये मुझे पसंद नहीं है. बट यू रियलाइज कि नहीं, मतलब द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ सो मेनी स्ट्रेंज पीपल हु माइट बी क्वाइट people you don't agree with necessarily, but who still are full of love and kindness for you,
Yes,
you know.
yes, absolutely. Where were you born, Batulji?
I was born in Bombay.
Bombay only.
Yeah, yeah.
And your parents were over here?
Yeah. My parents, my family were all very typical Bombay people.
Okay.
We are Gujarati Bhoris.
Okay.
So, like, yeah, my ancestors are from Surat, but like my family for generations has lived in Bombay.
Okay.
And then my parents shifted to Pune when I was still in school. So then the later part of my schooling and college and all I did in Pune.
Okay. I saw your mother's picture. Was she in industry? Like,
No,
but
not at all.
she looked
She
like,
was
that
gorgeous.
old, yeah, very
Yeah,
beautiful,
very gorgeous.
old era, that
Yeah,
how actresses used to be.
yeah.
So I felt like, so your family, anybody had film connection?
No, not at all.
No.
Not at all.
Okay.
I think when I went into films, I don't even know whether there was any woman before that in my community who had been into films.
Oh,
And at least not as a technical person, or maybe I believe like Asha Parekh ji has a Bhori mother, so maybe whose connection thoda bahut, but I don't know of anybody really from. So I think now I realize that because like recently I met somebody who was my neighbor at that time, and she's from my community as well, and she said that when you went to FTI, none of us even realized what you were doing. But abhi humko realize hota hai ki like how tough that was, and
yes.
it was completely, yeah, it was completely
Okay.
unheard of
Yeah.
and unthought of.
Yeah. So you were in Pune, and Pune, I think so FTI is in Pune only.
Yeah.
So that is how you discovered that you want to, like, how did you get this direction within you that you want to do this?
ऐसा तो वेरी ऑनेस्टली मतलब ऐसा मुझे कोई ऐसा ज्ञान नहीं था.
Okay.
I was quite, like I said, I was quite, mast mola kind of a person and floating on my own. But I think कि जो बचपन से बहुत strongly मेरे अंदर था was reading and writing.
Okay.
I was like a voracious reader and I was like writing quite regularly. तो वो you're like रुझान is only towards
Yes,
certain
yes.
kind of activities.
Yeah.
कि आप प्ले कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, ऐसा कर रहे हो, and your friends also become
Yeah.
like you make
In
friends.
college and in school, you used to do big part in theater and all that.
थिएटर डिबेट्स ये वो तो उस तरह से फ्रेंड्स भी आपके वैसे बन जाते हैं. फिर वो किसी ने कहा कि FTI में उस वक्त there were no acting students in FTI.
Okay.
So like they had stopped the acting course, which they started
Which year
later
you're talking
again.
about?
This was in 89 or something, 88, 89.
Okay.
So after like I think sometime they stopped the acting course in the 70s or something, and then they started it again after the 90s or something. तो उस पीरियड में एक्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स नहीं थे, तो वो लोग मतलब एक्सरसाइजेस के लिए हमें कई लोगों को बाहर से ही पकड़ना पड़ता था कि आप आ जाओ. So that way I started acting in FTI
Oh.
student films.
Okay.
So ऐसे कर करके वो बहुत धीरे धीरे करके ऐसे लगा.
हाँ.
मुझे एक्टिंग पसंद नहीं थी
हाँ.
पहले से ही.
Okay.
I first film which I did, I knew कि नहीं ये मेरा काम नहीं है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता.
You did a film, but
I did lots of films at FTI.
for the students.
For
you
the
did.
students,
Okay.
yeah. So I was very sure कि I don't enjoy this because मुझे कहे कि तुम ऐसा करो वैसा करो. मुझे कहना है.
I can understand.
I want to be the person who's telling people what to do.
Yeah.
So that's how, yeah.
Okay. So that passion for writing was a lot,
Yeah.
and technicality, like
Yeah.
you.
So actually, I don't know how it was for you. Probably your background was different, and like I think your parents were into
Into
films,
films.
and
Yeah,
you
yeah.
were like so you had a very natural kind of a progression.
Yes.
But you know how it was for the majority of people in the 80s and 90s. Like, first of all, like girls were not even brought up, except for very few families, they were not even brought up to think about career or
Absolutely,
कि
absolutely.
आपको कहीं जाकर काम करना है, जॉब करना है. So like I also came from a family like that where it was very like, of course,
शादी करनी was the agenda.
yeah, we
बड़ी
went
करो and थोड़ा सा
yeah,
बहुत पढ़ा लो.
absolutely. And we study, we all went to good schools, convent schools. But the agenda was कि हाँ एक age में 19-20 you will get married.
Yeah, yeah.
And I don't know what it was, but I was very different right from the beginning. I was a rebel. And मैंने अपने माँ बाप के बहुत नाक में दम किया हुआ है, you know. So I used to all like there used to be lot of fights, lot of things. तो वो पहले से ही बस वो रिबेल होने के बावजूद देयर वाज नो आउटलेट. वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या करना क्या है. मतलब रिबेल तो
Where
करना
you
है,
should
बट
channel
वेयर
your,
इज इट
yeah,
channeling,
yeah,
so
yeah.
lot of times when you don't know that, you don't have the environment for that, you don't have anybody to guide you. My parents also were not very educated, so it was like कोई ऐसा गाइडेंस नहीं था ना कि आप अच्छा यू आर गुड एट दिस तो आप ये कर सकते हो, आप वो कर लो. तो योर energy also, your rebellion also gets channeled into a lot of wrong directions
True,
sometimes,
true.
and you don't know. तो आप थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे गिरते पड़ते सीखते हो, कि हाँ ठीक है. Like you take a longer time, I think, to
Understand life.
understand what you want to do actually with yourself. What is your own voice? What is your own
Calling.
calling? What is it that you want to do? How do you want to live your life? So मुझे पता है, क्योंकि हम लोग जब हमारा रिबेलियन क्या होता था कि मतलब बॉयफ्रेंड कर लिया, या बहुत सारी मेरी दोस्तों ने आउट ऑफ द कम्युनिटी या आउट ऑफ रिलीजन किसी और रिलीजन में शादी कर ली. वही सबसे बड़ा रिबेलियन होता था.
Yes, yes,
बट
yes.
दैट रिबेलियन हैड नथिंग टू डू विथ यू योरसेल्फ.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
know, what
Yes,
do
yes.
you want to do? What are you meant for?
एब्सोल्युटली. हम एक्चुअली जो हमारी, मुझे लगता है जो जनरेशन थी ना, वो बहुत ही कंफ्यूज्ड जनरेशन थी.
Yeah.
और आजकल की जो जनरेशन है वो क्लियर जनरेशन है. अगर उनको गलत करना है तो वो सोच समझ के गलत कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
और सही डायरेक्शन स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जाना है तो सोच समझ कर जा रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
ऐसे नहीं है कि आई डोंट नो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, वेयर एम आई एंड व्हाई शुड आई डू एंड वेयर शुड आई गो. दे आर वेरी क्लियर, दे नो. वी वर लाइक पूरे मस्तीखोर, पागल, ऐसे नादानी बहुत थी.
नादान. और पागलपन में आप कई बार बहुत खतरे में,
Exactly.
you fall into a lot of danger because
100%.
girls unfortunately become easy prey.
Yes.
And if you don't have the understanding of your parents,
Yes.
my parents were very nice, very supportive. But they did not understand me.
Yeah.
So उनको खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि इसका क्या करें हम.
Absolutely.
So the thing is कि अगर आप ऐसी इस तरह के हो, if you're a good girl, if you are living within your limits, तो फिर तो ठीक है, आपकी एक सीधी सीधी जिंदगी 99% तो चल जाएगी.
Yeah.
आप कहीं ना, फिर तो जो होगा वो बुरा होगा, तो वो तो फिर
Destined होगा.
Yeah, but if you are someone who wants to break free, who wants to fly, who wants to
Do something with his life
but you
or her
don't
life.
know what, you don't have anybody to guide you.
You.
Don't know. You
उस
don't have
वक्त
that.
गूगल भी नहीं था
हाँ, you
कि कोई
don't
सारी
have
ये सारी कोई
anything.
ऑनलाइन सारी
कुछ-
चीजें
कुछ-
जो अवेलेबल नहीं थी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो वी वर वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड जनरेशन. एंड आई फील कि जो माँ बाप, जैसे हमारा कन्वर्सेशन हमारी बेटियों के साथ होता है, हमारे बच्चों के साथ होता है, वी हैव कन्वर्सेशन. When we have conversation, they remove something out of us.
Yeah.
They understand life through us. They see our experiences and they understand what not to do. But मैंने मेरी मम्मी के साथ में कभी कन्वर्सेशन नहीं किया, तो मुझे लगता है आपका भी वैसा ही होगा कि यू मस्ट नॉट बी हैविंग कन्वर्सेशन विथ योर पेरेंट्स.
नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल. मतलब वो झगड़ा होता था. दे वुड से ये क्यों कर रही हो, इतने बजे क्यों आई, ये क्या हुआ. somebody has complained कि वो उस लड़के के साथ थी. You know, whatever nonsense that was going on, which is like I don't even see it as nonsense.
Yeah.
Now when I see it, I think कि बहुत normal चीजें थी.
Yeah.
They were a very normal part of growing up, you know. It was nothing कि ऐसा कुछ मतलब crime commit कर लिया हो. But उस जमाने में वो था.
Taboo था. It was.
ऐसे था.
It
So
was.
it was like, though my parents were very gave us a lot of freedom,
Yeah.
but वो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस उनमें भी थे, हम में भी थे, हमारे फ्रेंड्स में भी थे.
Yes.
हमारा पीयर ग्रुप भी उतना इवॉल्व नहीं था. सो आसपास के आपके 99, लाइक इफ आई सी 99% ऑफ माय स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, दे आर ऑल लिविंग इन अ वेरी सेफ
Yes. I agree with you.
स्ट्रेट लाइन ना.
Yes.
और आप ही एक आड़े टेढ़े चल रहे हो, तो वो भी नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं आपको.
Right.
योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो कांट अंडरस्टैंड यू कि ये लड़की मतलब ये बुरी लड़की है, ये या ये बिगड़ी हुई है, या यू नो यू गेट
What
लेबल्ड.
is she? What she wants to
You
do?
get labeled as all kinds of things.
Yes.
सो आप और कोने में यू नो यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर कॉर्नर्ड, यू
Yes,
स्टार्ट
yes.
मेकिंग मोर एंड मोर मिस्टेक्स.
Yes.
So I think that, you know, like feel very strongly that like girls offer, particularly for a certain period of time, need to be very, very protected by their parents. And by that, I don't mean protected in the sense कि ये मत करो वो मत करो, but to be really understood and to be really given that support कि तू कर, तुझे जो करना है, मैं हूँ तेरे साथ. You know?
Yes.
I'm there with you. We can talk about this.
Yes.
We can go through whatever you are going through.
Yeah.
Because everybody has to be given that freedom to
Opportunity rather.
make those mistakes,
Yes.
to find life for themselves,
Yes.
you know.
Yes.
Protection doesn't mean
कि आप जेल में डाल दो
हाँ.
बच्चों को एकदम कि ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है. आपको मतलब हमारे नजर के सामने आपको जो समझ में आ रहा है आप कीजिए, और जहां जरूरत पड़े हमसे बात कीजिए. हम हमारा एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ में शेयर करेंगे, और उसमें से अगर आपको कुछ लगता है कि सही है, आप अपनी जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल करके
Definitely.
गो अहेड विथ योर लाइफ,
Definitely.
सो दैट यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग अपार्ट.
Yeah, and the
That is very
girl
important.
should have a lot of confidence. Ki, like whatever I do, my parents are going to be there
Yeah.
at my back.
That faith has to be
That
there.
faith has to be there. कि
Yeah.
वो है, मतलब मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ. I don't know, मतलब मे बी शायद लड़कों के साथ भी वही होता होगा, but I think definitely the dangers are much higher for a girl.
Yeah.
ये तो fact of
Fact है.
ये
Fact
तो
है.
fact of life है.
Yes.
So,
We have to protect them. Yes. So your youth, you were with FTII and you were going and doing the films, and then when it occurred to you ke, or practically did you become part of like writing zone, or did you take training for writing the films, and did you go in that zone in FTII?
FTI में, yeah, we were taught because I joined the direction course.
Okay.
So for the first year, we learned, we had something which is called a common course,
Okay.
where we all learn the basics of all the departments. So the basics of sound, camera, production, art, writing, direction, everything.
Okay.
So all the students learn it. And then from the second year onwards, we start specializing
Okay.
into whatever we've selected. So if you've selected camera, then they have their own special classes and practicals, etc. So as a direction student, yes, we did I did the first year common course, and then second and third year, uh, most of the course is designed in a way that you are just making films one after the other.
Okay.
So you start with, say, a 5 minute continuity film where you are learning how to do continuity. Then you do a 10-minute dialogue exercise. Then, so like your whole 2 years is broken up into just doing one film after the other, which is concentrating on some aspect of, how, like,
A film,
of
like
a
bigger
bigger,
filmmaking
yeah.
space. Yeah, yeah.
So, writing is very much part of that. Screenwriting, screenplay writing is important part of the syllabus.
Definitely. Without that, film falls apart.
Yeah.
Nowadays, people don't know.
So we have classes in that. Then we used to have workshops, special workshops also,
Yeah.
where people would come and then they would have, say, a concentrated workshop only on screenplay writing.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, if I may ask, that first marriage or affair was in the FTI or outside? Like, yeah.
It's like very complicated because my ex-husband was from NSD
Okay.
and we met at FTI because this film that we were acting in, we were both acting in together.
Together.
So then we got married, and then I went to FTII as a student after that.
Okay. Okay.
So, and he was struggling in Bombay. So
Okay.
that's how it was. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Your journey from the childhood till writing your own film, the first film, you said that the kind of family you belong to और जिस तरीके के आप एनवायरनमेंट में बड़े हुए हैं वहां पर इस तरीके का कोई भी जोन नहीं था कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बातचीत नहीं थी और आपके भीतर से ये बात आ रही थी कि आपको ये करना है और आपको इस स्पेस में जाना था पर बिना गाइडेंस के you entered this space and you did what you wanted to do. So, did your like first film when you made a first film, did that reflect that that uniqueness, that rawness? Like अभी आज की डेट में जिस तरीके से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वालों को एक होता है नेपोटिज्म के एक टैग लगा दिया है, ये आउटसाइडर है, ये इनसाइडर है. तो उस टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ फील था, ऐसा कुछ थॉट था?
नहीं, ऐसा मैंने नहीं सोचा और मुझे नहीं लगा कि उस टाइम ऐसा था. इनफैक्ट मीन्स दैट्स नॉट व्हाट समथिंग दैट आई फेल्ट. उसको बाद में जब आप सोचते हो तो इट वाज एक्चुअली अ वेरी मेल वर्ल्ड. सो एज अ फीमेल डायरेक्टर, what were the chances that you got? There were no chances. So female directors तो अभी धीरे धीरे करके
अभी तो बहुत है.
Yes. So there was, so I, for a long time, like not me, but even a lot of my classmates or मेरे आगे पीछे के भी जो भी लड़कियां थी, I think for a long time we all of us struggle to understand कि हमें काम क्यों नहीं
मिलता.
And you take it on yourself.
Yeah.
Because what the men do,
Yeah.
or did, at least at that time, I don't know what it is now, but what they did was make you feel that somehow your story is not good enough. You're not enough. Yeah. You are not enough. You technically, अगर technically sound है तो लड़के ज्यादा sound होंगे. अगर stories हैं तो लड़कों की story ज्यादा exciting होगी. Hero की story ज्यादा exciting होगी. So that concept of a feminine point of view can also be interesting. वो तो अभी की बात है. Now it's kind of emerging where people feel that yes.
Now it has become very like centric.
Very centric,
important. Yeah.
So I think like for a long time, I actually struggled to, I struggled with, my own self-esteem a lot. Thinking कि शायद मुझे उतना नहीं आता है या मुझे शायद उतनी मेरी कहानियां हैं वो कहीं फिट इन नहीं होती है या So I think you take a lot of burden on
यस
yourself,
यस सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म पे चले जाते
हाँ,
हैं कि
so
हम ठीक
I
नहीं है ना.
think वो धीरे धीरे हम सबको रियलाइज हुआ कि ये हमारी गलती नहीं है, ये गलती इस बात की है कि वो हमें अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही नहीं
नहीं
मिल
दे
रही
रहे
है,
हैं.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही नहीं मिल रही है हमें.
हाँ, 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 हाँ.
So that was, I think, yeah, that's something which took a while to realize.
So when did you write your first film, or did you direct first or write first?
I directed first because
Okay.
at the institute we were directing.
Okay.
So we made at the end of the course we made, apart from all the short films we made a half an hour film.
Okay.
So that I had done on a Manto story.
Okay.
And the second film, I got a chance to make another half an hour film for another student.
Okay.
That was also based on a story.
Okay.
So I didn't actually, write my own film, I think. Then when I came out, I was writing, I was trying to write, but at the same time, I was also struggling to earn a living because I had to take care of Eman
Yeah.
and I had to take care of, the finances.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I started working. I got a chance, and I somehow it happened for me that I became associated with international documentaries and international films
Okay.
with the BBC and Channel 4 and all of that.
Okay.
So I became like an associate producer, a line producer. And for many, many years, I worked, doing that kind of work because that was my bread and butter. And I could see because most of my colleagues, most of my classmates, if they were assisting, they were either doing documentaries, which was very little money, which was not possible for me to
Okay.
manage my family with that. And or they were assisting. People came out of FTI and started assisting the
Name directors or
name
something, yeah.
directors. तो वो भी मेरे लिए possible नहीं था because I had a small kid with me.
Yeah.
And
You have to give full time.
I could not give 24/7
Yes.
kind of thing, which is required of an assistant.
Yes.
So it became this became a better option for me. Okay, I'm doing a project for 15 days, 20 days. I'm being paid on an international scale, so I can manage. कि मैंने 15 दिन काम किया और मेरे 2-3 महीने
Gap मार दिया.
चले गए.
हाँ.
So that is the way I had to shape my career
Okay.
because I didn't have that freedom.
So you were a young mother.
Yeah,
You were like
yeah,
this particular relationship. It did not work out. I think.
yeah.
so.
It did not work out.
And you were like when you had Emin. What was your age like?
I was 28.
28. You're a young mother, and
Yeah.
you were like juggling between career
Yeah.
and your child.
Yeah. So
That was challenging.
Yeah, so that was, and I was alone. Like I didn't. My family lives in Pune, so I had to make a lot of
Adjustments.
and
Yeah.
so so I didn't have that. So then I think it was only when I made my first children's film. Like before that, I'd written a lot of things.
Okay.
But like when I made my first children's film, Lilki, when Eman was about 8 or 10 years old, I think that is the first time I felt that, okay, this is like my film and this is something that, I want to say and it's my voice.
Yeah.
It's what I want to say, the story I want to tell.
Yeah.
तो वो मुझे टाइम लगा वहां तक पहुंचने में. तब तक आप like you are just struggling on a day-to-day basis,
Yeah.
or you're just trying to fit into
Certain group of
yeah,
people
yeah,
and
yeah,
some
yeah. किसी ने
space.
ये काम दे दिया कि चलो ये लिख लो.
हाँ.
I did some writing, किसी शो के लिए डायलॉग लिख लिए, किसी के लिए कुछ पायलट एपिसोड लिख लिया, किसी के लिए कुछ सीरीज. उस टाइम टेलीविजन ही था.
हाँ.
तो all that kind of thing, but you are just trying to do things which are going to earn you money.
Right.
उसमें आपकी कोई you're not thinking कि
क्रिएटिवली सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है,
I mean, you're
मतलब
not
ब्रेड
making
बटर
your
का
own thing,
या
It's not like कि हाँ ये मेरा है, ये मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ वाला पहुंचने में थोड़ा टाइम लग
टाइम
गया।
लगा
हाँ,
अपने अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करना
या
एक
या
सब्जेक्ट में, और देन इट रीचेस टू ऑडियंस
या
एंड दैट फील इज डिफरेंट देन
या या
डूइंग समबडीज के आप ये बना के ये लिख के दे दो,
या
जैसे एड फिल्म्स में भी होता है
या
mostly they say, and there is this parameter you have to function in that space only.
या
क्रिएटिविटी होती है बट बहुत लिमिटेड स्कोप
Yeah.
के अंदर आपको एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ता है.
Yeah. So I think that's this. That's around the same time I started blogging also.
Okay.
And blogging, I blogged for about 10 years, and
Okay.
it was wonderful
Yeah.
because what you were saying, ki my voice,
Yeah.
that is the first time like I really felt completely free and completely like must, in terms of कि मैं
You're flowing.
I am saying what
Yeah.
I want to say.
Yeah.
I felt really, really good about it.
Yeah.
And I think both these things in combination, my children's film and my blog, is also the first time that people actually started perceiving
Recognizing.
me also as, okay, this is a person in her own right,
Yeah.
a director, a filmmaker in her own right.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, Batul ji, in the struggles, in the challenges of your life, when you were going through, there is a lot of up and down. I'm not going into that dark spaces where you faced your challenges, but in that dark space or during this juggling of finding a living and finding your art, did you feel that somewhere something or some energy is there which is like you are connected or you are being taken care, or everything what you are doing is been done by you, or something is there, some grace or something is there, that kind of a thought or a feel?
I do believe in grace.
Yeah.
Like, I am not a religious person at all.
Yeah.
I have no religious feeling.
Okay.
Like, since I was a child, maybe because, like, we come from very traditional backgrounds where, we were taught to pray at a very young age. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि ये मुझे आप बोल रहे हो ऐसे पढ़ो या ये पढ़ो, बट मुझे इसका मतलब नहीं समझ में आता है. सो आई अगेन लाइक आई सेड आई वाज ऑलवेज रिबेलिंग, आई वाज ऑलवेज क्वेश्चनिंग. मुझे पसंद नहीं था, but and I never felt it, and my parents gave me a lot of freedom to be whatever. They never forced that kind of religion on me and said कि नहीं तुमको ये करना ही है. So but I always had a lot of faith in I don't know what is that faith in the universe or in things will turn out all right. मतलब कर लेगा इंसान, कुछ ना कुछ तो जिंदगी में कर ही लेगा.
Yeah.
So like even when I was very young,
Yeah.
मतलब when I used to be 14, 15 और
Yeah.
मेरे मम्मी के साथ मेरा कुछ झगड़ा होता था or something, or she would say कि, or she would say something negative, or she would say something even later on
Yeah.
कि like something very sort of
Harsh words.
dejected
Yeah.
or something very pessimistic.
Yes.
I would say कि आप तो इतना नमाज पढ़ते हो और आपको फेथ नहीं है.
हाँ.
मुझे तो बहुत फेथ है.
हाँ. हाँ.
that things will be okay.
हाँ.
So I always, and it happened like that.
Okay.
Earlier before this, before we started shooting,
हाँ.
you were saying कि कभी आपके पास 100 रुपए भी होते हैं और कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है.
Right.
And believe me, that's the way it's been with me.
Yeah.
When I was left alone with Eman, when the day that I realized कि this is over, I had 200 rupees. But ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं गया है कि कहीं ना कहीं से मुझे काम नहीं मिला है या कहीं ना कहीं से पैसा नहीं मिला है. So it's like, there is, I don't know what you call it,
You can call it divine consciousness.
but
That is, everybody
yes,
believes
but
in that,
yes, but there
and that
is,
exists.
but I do believe that कि और मुझे even in fact Vivek ko,
Hmm.
both of us are of that temperament. Like now we've made these 3 independent films.
Yeah, yeah,
We don't have that kind of money.
yeah.
Like, we know people who have much more money than us,
Yes,
but they don't do that.
yes,
But
yes.
it's like we have very limited,
Resources.
resources.
हाँ.
But हम सोचते हैं कि चलो हम कहीं ऐसे छुट्टी पे नहीं जाते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते, we'll make a film.
Yeah, that's a passion,
That's a
basically.
passion.
Yeah,
But the thing is that both Vivek and I, we come from a sense of कि कुछ नहीं होगा ना तो हम लोग बड़ा पाव बनाकर बेच देंगे. We'll like, and I have always believed that. I have seen my father with the same attitude.
yeah,
कि
yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं है, 10 रुपए है, चलो चॉकलेट लेके घर जाना है बच्चों के लिए,
हाँ.
कल कुछ हो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
Because you're confident, not कि कहीं कोई दे देगा आपको,
हाँ.
but you're confident about your
अपने आप में भरोसा है.
मेहनत करके कर
कर
लेंगे ना,
कर.
कुछ तो कर लेंगे. जब बहुत ही इतने अनएडुकेटेड लोग, इतने जिसके पास कुछ नहीं होता है आगे पीछे, वो घर में किसी के घर में झाड़ू पोछा करके भी अपने बच्चों को पाल लेते हैं ना.
Right, right.
सो हम तो बहुत प्रिविलेज्ड है.
Absolutely.
We are so educated. We have, we have so much of education.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
तो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि हम मतलब ऐसे बैठे रहेंगे.
Right.
कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा.
Right.
And that is the values that we've given Eman also.
Yeah.
कि डरना नहीं है, like there's that insecurity which brings about a lot of desperation.
Yes.
उस desperation में फिर आप कुछ भी
कुछ भी
करने के लिए रेडी हो जाते हो कि अरे मेरा क्या होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. कुछ नहीं होगा तो बड़ा पाव बेच लो.
Absolutely, absolutely. Basically, from the thought which is flowing through you and what you want to say, I feel that आप कहना चाहते हो कि अपने आप में भरोसा रखो और जिस डिवाइन एनर्जी ने, जिस क्रिएशन ने आपको क्रिएट किया है, उसने आपका खाने पीने का, जीने का बंदोबस्त तो किया ही है. और
Absolutely.
वो कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही रहा है और कर ही देगा.
Absolutely.
So right now, you have certain projects in your hand. Like you said, you're making 3 films. Like right now, you said, right?
Before Kitty Kelly ki Diwali, we made another independent 50-minute film
Okay.
called Mumu Shelly,
Okay.
which I had directed.
Okay.
So that has also gone to a lot of festivals and it's streaming on, smaller
Platforms, OTT platforms.
pay-per-view platforms.
Mhm.
So, and there's another film which is a longer one, which is the 80-minute road film,
Okay.
which I have directed
Okay.
and which we actually shot about 2 years ago. But
Okay.
the post has been taking longer because of various
Mhm.
reasons.
Mhm.
So, yeah, I'm in the process of finishing that.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You blog, right? So mostly, I had written. Recently, I read your blog, and I was like, it is so. I was so amused. मुझे एकदम बहुत ही सच भी लगा और मुझे आई वॉज लाइक लिटरली कि क्या है हमारे जीवन में, हम अपने आप को क्यों नहीं देखते हैं. और आपने वो जो आपके ब्लॉग में वो डायरेक्शन वहां लेके जाने की कोशिश की. जैसे आपने पंखे के बारे में लिखा था कि पंखा साफ नहीं किया है, और उसके ऊपर पूरा जो आपने लिखा था, आपका विचार बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से आपने पेश किया था. तो ये जो इंस्पिरेशन आती है, आपका इंटेंशन जो ब्लॉगिंग का होता है वो क्या होता है कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं ऑडियंस को, और ये थॉट जो फ्लो होता है, व्हाट इज द इंटेंट टुवर्ड्स इट?
आई डोंट नो. मैंने कुछ मतलब ऐसा बहुत सोच समझ के नहीं लिखा.
हाँ.
जब भी उस टाइम पर तो इट वाज मोर लाइक my own self expression.
Okay.
सच में बहुत सोचा नहीं.
Okay.
एंड आई फील कि उसके बारे में जब मैं बहुत सोचने लगी तो लिखना कम हो गया.
हाँ.
You know,
हाँ.
because you're trying too much to fit into some idea now which other people have about you
Yeah.
rather than just expressing yourself
Yeah.
freely.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of a twisted
Space.
space it becomes.
Yeah.
So I think it's just they were just like, you know, very simple observations.
Yeah.
Very day to day observations about people, about yourself, about your family,
True.
which amuse me, you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
which मुझे अच्छा लगता है ऐसे ही कुछ देखकर किसी के बारे में सोचना कि ये ऐसे कर रहा है वो वैसे कर रहा है. That's just my nature.
Yeah. Like you, एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होता है. जैसे मैं आपकी ब्लॉग से वो जो जितना पढ़ा था मैंने उससे मुझे ये समझ में आया कि यूजुअली हमारे जीवन में हम जितना लोगों को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते हैं या मार्गदर्शन देने की कोशिश करते हैं, वही चीज जब हम पर आती है तो हम कर नहीं पाते हैं और हम अपने आप को माफ कर देते हैं और दूसरों को माफ नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, we are very judgmental, and you know, I think one of the biggest realizations I've had is in various dynamics, काफी कुछ experiences में कि आदमी अपने आप को सच प्रूव करने के लिए ना
हाँ,
कुछ भी हार सकता है. But the
एब्सोल्युटली.
desire to be right is so strong in each one of us कि मैं सही हूँ.
राइट.
उसके लिए आप अपना घर बार रिलेशनशिप्स प्यार व्यार सब सब सैक्रिफाइस कर सकते हो पर मुझे जीतना है.
This is, I have experienced this, so I am laughing out loud. I'm not trying to offend you,
No,
but I'm
no,
just saying.
I'm saying, you know,
This is the fact. This is the fact. And you know, I completely agree with you because आप जब ये चीज प्रैक्टिस करने जाते हो ना, to be very true, जैसे आपने पहले डिवाइन कॉन्शियसनेस की बात की और डेस्टिनी की बात की, आपके लिए आप खुद लिखकर ऊपर से आए हैं. अपनी किस्मत, अपनी जिंदगी, सब कुछ आप लिखकर आए हैं और आपके लिए आपने जो लिखा है वो आपसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता. राइट है. फिर सामने वाला जब ये व्यंजन पे आता है और आपने जैसे कहा कि ये घर बार सब लुट जाए तो भी वो ईगो को लेके सब कुछ डिस्ट्रॉय करने को, पर वो कर नहीं सकता क्योंकि एक ये अनसीन एनर्जी है, एक ये पावर है जो आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली पकड़े है, आपको होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है उसने कि कितनी भी जिंदगी के थप्पड़े आ जाए, कितनी भी अटैक्स हो जाए, आपको गिरने नहीं देगा ये. जैसे आपने कहा वड़ा पाव खा लेंगे,
हाँ,
तो वो आपको ना गिरने देगा, ना भूखा सोने देगा, ना तड़पने देगा.
एब्सोल्युटली. मतलब जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी है. उसको
Absolutely.
why are we going to live it in so much of pain? For
एब्सोल्युटली.
what reason?
या.
तो मुझे तो हमेशा मतलब मेरा तो क्राइटेरिया यही होता है कि मजा आएगा कि नहीं, यू नो. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फन, दिस इज फन,
या.
वो होना चाहिए ना.
Right.
बाकी तो सब चीजें मतलब चलती ही रहेगी.
राइट.
Somebody will fall sick, somebody will die, somebody will, you know,
लूज
have
समथिंग
money,
और
some
ब्रेकअप
lose
समथिंग और
something,
या.
कुछ ना कुछ होगा. और किसी को इतना टाइट पकड़ के नहीं रख सकते हो आप.
राइट.
क्या करोगे?
राइट.
मतलब मैंने अगर आपको इतना ऐसे पकड़ के रख लिया तो व्हाट विल हैपन?
या.
क्या होगा?
ट्रू. ट्रू. एब्सोल्युटली.
और नॉट ओनली holding on to you but even holding on to your experiences,
या.
holding on to your you know कि इसने मेरे साथ ये किया, उसने वो बोला, इसने ये कहा. लाइक क्या फायदा है इस
Right.
चीज
किसी की बातों को पकड़ के मत रखो.
का? What is this? Because that bitterness or that whatever you hold on is only going to make you bitter.
एब्सोल्युटली. एब्सोल्युटली. आप दुखी हो गए. your
तो
hurt, your anger,
that
yeah.
that like मुझे वो actually I don't understand that need for that bitterness.
Yes.
तो मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Mm.
And I think, when you read a lot, like I think like a lot of my childhood, because I did not feel like I fitted in. I was lost in a world of books. And I think when you are, constantly reading and constantly you read so much, you're constantly lost in the world of stories.
Yeah.
And what stories do is that they give you so many different points of view. कि आप एक पॉइंट पर सब एक जैसे ही लगते हैं. It feels like, okay, you can also be right and I can also be right, and someone can be a horrible person, but पता नहीं उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है जिंदगी में.
True.
True.
True. Basically, once you open your mind up so beautifully, reading helps you to open your mind.
Yeah.
And once your mind is open, आपका जो देखने का नजरिया है वो 360 डिग्री हो जाता है. आप हर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, हर एंगल से सोचने और देखने की कोशिश करते हो. तो आप अपने आप को मद्देनजर नहीं रखते हुए, यू गो दैट थर्ड पर्सन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड यू सी द होल सिनेरियो. तो आपका जो बर्ड्स आई व्यू जो होता है, बाहर से जब आप किसी चीज को देखते हो, तो नेचुरली जो पेन है, दर्द है, प्रॉब्लम है, वो आपको अटैक नहीं करता, पर आप सबको समझने की कोशिश करते हो. और वो नेचुरली फिर इट बिकम्स लाइक, जैसे आपने कहा कि लाइफ ब्यूटीफुल है, लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो उसके हिसाब से सही है, मैं मेरे हिसाब से सही हूँ.
वो इरिटेटिंग बात भी है, बहुत अच्छी बात नहीं है. Because
अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू मच इज लाइक, या
मेरे फ्रेंड्स या मेरी फैमिली बहुत इरिटेट होते हैं मुझसे. क्योंकि जब वो गुस्सा हो रहे हैं या कुछ ना, किसी की मतलब इसने ये किया, उसने वो किया, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज गिविंग द अदर पर्सन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. तो उनको
आप मुझे ही नहीं समझ रहे हो, आप उसको समझ रहे हो, वो वाला थॉट आ जाता है.
so that's not a very healthy thing also. Or they feel, lot of the times, people of my family feel कि ये किसी की साइड लेती ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
She is always like a doll. कि हाँ, ये भी ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है.
बट इट टू बी जो आप कह रही हैं, द फैक्ट इज इन लाइफ नथिंग इज राइट एंड नथिंग इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज द फैक्ट इज, जो ट्रूथ है वो हमेशा अपनी जगह पर सही रहेगा, पर जो फैक्ट है जो फैक्ट है वो बदल सकता है. एक होता है एक तथ्य और एक होता है सत्य. तथ्य है वो तथाकथित है, जिस तरीके से जो सिचुएशन हुई है उसके हिसाब से मैं उस तथ्य को कह रही हूँ. और एक है सत्य, जो बॉर्न हुआ है, जो पैदा हुआ है और वैसे ही खत्म होगा, वो वैसे ही मरेगा. उसको मैं चाहूं, आप चाहे, कोई भी चाहे, बदल नहीं सकता, वो वैसे ही रहेगा. तो ये दोनों चीजें जब एक साथ आ जाती है, तो कैसे आप किसी चीज को जज कर पाओगे कि इसमें से झूठ क्या है, सच क्या है?
Yeah. I think that also, when I'm talking like this, or when we are talking like this, one important thing to remember is, which actually Aman keeps pointing out to me, is that कि इतना ज्यादा एम्पैथी रखना या इतना ज्यादा सभी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सोचना, वो भी कभी कभी डेंजरस हो सकता है. Especially again, I would come back to young women, because my concern is mainly for that. कि क्योंकि आप इतना ज्यादा टॉलरेट करने लगते हो, because you can understand everybody, you start tolerating also a lot of bad behavior or a lot of absolutely unacceptable behavior. तो वो बाउंड्री रखना भी बहुत जरूरी है. Like understanding somebody and saying कि okay, this is something that this person may be going through, does not mean that you take that bad
Yeah, you
behavior
accept whatever that
and
wrong
you
person.
know
Yeah,
or you
yeah,
take that you take मतलब आप पिस रहे हो या
yeah.
आप मतलब
Yeah. I'm
so
understanding your
so
point.
that is also very important to remember because
Absolutely.
हम लोग स्पेशली लड़कियों को तो कितना सिखाया जाता है ना कि आप समझो लोगों को like we are kind of conditioned to tolerate and to
Yeah,
understand
that is
and to
वो एक
empathize.
पुरानी वो जो प्रथा रही है वो हमारे कहीं रूट्स में दबी हुई है
Yeah, but
and we are still it is there. It is not gone
no, it's
completely.
not gone.
It's
It's
not.
there so much in our blood.
Yes, yes,
And that's also a dangerous thing because you
yes,
keep tolerating so much.
yes, yes.
And
You
that
don't voice.
you don't voice or you don't say कि आप अपनी जगह पे सही हो सकते हो you want to this is the way you want to spend your life please go ahead and spend it but this is not something I want
Yeah,
for my life.
true,
So that boundary is very very important to remember.
true.
वो कहीं कभी मिस हो जाती है in this whole talk of कि
Being certain way or
yeah,
compassionate or
yeah,
caring,
yeah,
loving.
yeah.
Yeah,
So anger also has
value actually.
value.
It has
Absolutely,
value.
it has value.
It has value. Batul ji, since you've been talking about Emin so much, you know, the way relationship impact child and upbringing of child is very, very important in society, right? So, as a mother, when a mother is going through her own circumstances, her own issues, her own shift in the life, how does she take care or manure or एक उसको भी मोल्ड करना होता है अपने बच्चों को तो हाउ डज शी जैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस है आई वुड लाइक यू टू शेयर कि you have gone through a transition in your life from one to another relationship and the child has gone through with you also.
Yeah.
So for these kind of situation when the woman is there, some other person who is there going through the same situation, so what will you advise her? How do you take care of this kind of a situation where आप अपने अंदर से भी एक तरीके की सिचुएशन से पिस रहे हो, जा रहे हो, बन रहे हो, ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहे हो, आपका बच्चा भी आपके साथ जा रहा है, तो हाउ डू यू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन एंड व्हाट विल बी like your advice to that person?
I don't know. I mean, I think you do your best. I
Yeah.
don't know if that best is ever enough because जिस ट्रॉमा को वो बच्चे ने देखा है
हाँ,
या जिस जो भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं या लाइक आई गॉट मैरिड द सेकेंड टाइम तो वो एक नई रिलेशनशिप को संभालना
Acceptance.
और नए घर को नई फैमिली को संभालना all those things have impacted Eman.
Yeah.
You cannot say कि वो एकदम मतलब ऐसे ही बिना इम्पैक्ट के मैंने उसको बहुत संभाल के रखा ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ ऐसा तो पॉसिबल भी नहीं है शायद किसी के लिए क्योंकि आप भी उतना सुलझे हुए नहीं होते हो ना यू आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग यू आर ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग यू ऑल्सो कंफ्यूज्ड
Hmm.
तो उसका वो इम्पैक्ट तो हुआ ही है बट द थिंग इज दैट I mean, I can only tell you what I have done. I don't know whether it was right or it was wrong, but like, I think from a very early age, I tried to have a lot of conversations with
Yeah.
her. So, वो पहले से ही I have tried my best कि बहुत ऑनेस्टली उससे बात करूं
Yeah.
उसको कहूं कि हाँ ये ऐसा है
Clarity.
दैट क्लैरिटी कि या इट इज लाइक दिस
Yes.
देयर इज नो उसको वाइट वॉश नहीं किया है मैंने
Yeah.
तो दैट हैज बीन वन थिंग
Yeah.
एंड वन थिंग आई हैव बीन वेरी केयरफुल स्पेशली व्हेन शी वाज यंगर
Yeah.
अब जाकर व्हेन शी ग्रू ओल्डर
Yeah. Now she's
then
matured.
we have a lot of different conversations where मेरा ट्रॉमा भी मैं उसके साथ
Share.
शेयर करती हूँ, बट when she was younger, I did not do that. You know, I never told her anything about like her father in the sense of trying to antagonize her or
Right.
pass on my bitterness to her or pass on my experiences to her. So I always try to remain very neutral and positive about it. कि हाँ ठीक है, ऐसा है. So those were the only two things which I would say I tried intentionally. बाकी तो मतलब जो हर माँ करती है उस I don't think any of us get it 100% right, you know.
Nobody gets 100% right.
Yeah.
What you said was very important, that you know, you have to have conversation with your children
Yeah.
no matter what you do. बिकॉज अगर आप बच्चों से बात नहीं करते हो ना, तो वो अंधेरे में रहते हैं और बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड रहते हैं, और वो कंफ्यूजन एक अपनी दुनिया क्रिएट कर देता है उनके अंदर, जो आपके साथ में है या आपके अगेंस्ट में आपको नहीं पता चलता. पर जब आप बातचीत करते हो ना और अपनी साइड उनको बताते हो, तो वो आपको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Yeah.
हमको लगता है कि ये बच्चे हैं, नादान है, दे डोंट हैव एनी सेंस, बट दैट्स नॉट द फैक्ट.
No.
दे अंडरस्टैंड.
Yeah.
They understand a lot more than us, and because they are very fresh and open and fragile, and you know that innocence is there, they can bifurcate कि ये चीज ऐसी है, ये चीज ऐसी है, ये चीज ऐसी है, और उनको पूरा क्लियर पिक्चर आता है.
Yeah.
पर अगर हम नहीं बोलते हैं ना, तो जिसको जो भी बाहर वाला व्यक्ति है, उसको जो पेंट उनके दिमाग में डालना है,
Yeah.
वो डाल देगा.
Yeah.
तुम्हारी माँ ऐसी है या तुम्हारा फादर ऐसा है, और
Yeah.
वो छप जाता है,
छप जाता.
और फिर उसको वॉश करना बहुत मुश्किल हो
Yeah.
जाता है. इसके लिए जो फर्स्ट हैंड आपका जो है एक्सपीरियंस, और आपके साथ में जो हुआ है, आपने एक क्लियर कॉन्शियस से जब उनको बता दिया
Yeah.
कि ये ऐसा है, टेक इट और लीव इट, उस वक्त हर्ट होगा.
Yeah.
बाद में उनको समझ में आएगा कि ये मेरी माँ ने बहुत अच्छा किया
Yeah.
जो मुझे बता दिया,
Absolutely.
कि कोई तीसरा व्यक्ति मुझे आके नहीं बता.
नहीं. तो वो definitely that I completely agree with. And like sometimes a lot of times, you know, especially जब वो teenage years में होते हैं या even pre-puberty
Yes.
age, it was very difficult also sometimes to talk to her. But मतलब विवेक तो बोलता था ये तो बोलती ही नहीं है, ये like she doesn't tell us
Yeah.
what she's going through.
Yeah.
But I would like, you know, like उसको 100 सवाल, वो टिपिकल आई थिंक जो सब माँ करती है कि 100 सवाल 1 महीने तक उसको सवाल करती रहूंगी जब तक वो बोलेगी नहीं. एंड देन आफ्टर 1 month मे बी शी विल से समथिंग. तो धीरे धीरे वो बिल्डअप करना पड़ता है. नो लाइक आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पेरेंट्स गिव अप ऑल्सो थिंकिंग कि अरे मैं तो पूछती हूँ पर ये बताती नहीं है, दे डोंट टॉक टू मी. बट इट्स नॉट एन ऑटोमेटिक थिंग ना कि आप पूछोगे और जवाब मिल जाएगा.
It takes time.
आपको 50 बार पूछना पड़ेगा.
For them to have faith in you.
Yeah.
कि it is, even though you are mother,
Yeah.
even though
Yeah.
you are parent, still child has to have faith in you.
Yeah.
कि मैं जो बात बोलूंगी या माँ जो बात बोल रही है वो सच है, या मैं जो बात बोल रहा हूँ वह माँ मेरी सुन रही है कि नहीं,
Yeah.
और समझ रही है कि नहीं.
Yeah.
That conversation is important.
Yeah.
Because the kind of right now the children are going through depressions,
Yeah.
and at very young age I am shocked that 3 साल के बच्चे को भी डिप्रेशन हो सकता है. I am shocked.
Yeah.
And that's what is happening, and that's been like everywhere all over, you know, people are reading, and
Yeah.
because nowadays it is social media is there, so it has become very like fatak se that news spreads,
Yeah.
and because of the social media they are depressed also,
Yes.
because बहुत young age में उनके सामने competition को रख दिया गया है,
Yeah.
उनके innocence को पूरा खत्म कर दिया गया है, तो उनके सामने challenges बहुत जल्दी आ गई है.
बहुत जल्दी.
तो इस टाइम पे जो हम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं कि कन्वर्सेशंस बहुत जरूरी है बच्चों के साथ में. उनको ये ना समझा जाए कि ये बच्चे हैं,
Yeah.
इनको समझ नहीं आएगा.
Yeah.
या Very
I
nice.
think that is the most important thing.
Yeah.
बाकी सब तो और conversations बहुत आसान नहीं होते हैं.
नहीं होते हैं.
I have seen like parents also don't know how to talk to
Yeah.
their child.
Yeah.
I also don't know. मतलब पर वो हर बार सीखना पड़ता है, हर
We learn with them. We
Yeah,
grow with them.
yeah,
Every time they correct us, we correct them, and
Yeah.
that is there is a constant learning is
Yeah.
there. Constant learning is there.
Yeah.
That is there. Badalji, your relationship with your mother and Emin, I had seen Emin being very, very close to her nani.
yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So I just wanted to ask that the cultural value which comes through our family. So since you were there in the industry
Yeah.
and you were busy and occupied, so did she get that opportunity to bring that, that understanding of the life through her in her life?
Not in a very direct way because like it has come in many different ways,
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like we when my mother was there, we used to go to Pune very regularly.
Yes, yes.
So it's like, those times that you spend together as a family,
Yeah.
the games that you play,
Yeah.
and like both my mother and Eman shared a love of clothes.
Yeah.
तो धीरे धीरे जब एमन बड़ी हुई तो my mother started giving her a lot of her old clothes,
Yeah.
which then Eman will repurpose and make something. Then she will send photographs to her nani,
Uh-huh.
saying देखो मैंने ये बनाया इसका. So that bond became something very different,
Yes. Yes.
So I think वो उस तरह से the food you eat,
Yeah.
all these things bring those
Values in the
values,
life. Why I ask this question? Because the times right now, what we are living,
Yeah,
nuclear families are there,
yeah,
और मोस्टली दी मुझे आई थिंक सो कि हमारे जमाने से ही शुरू हो गया था कि मुझे जॉइंट फैमिली में नहीं रहना है,
yeah,
और वो नहीं रहना का जो स्पेस है वो आज की डेट में ऐसा हो गया है कि बच्चे सर्वेंट्स के पास ज्यादा पलते हैं, बड़े होते हैं,
Yeah.
रादर देन योर ओन इन लॉज और लाइक माँ और नानी, दादी
Yeah.
और नानी, उनके पास बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं हैं, वो अलग अलग स्टेट्स में होते हैं और आप
Yeah.
अलग स्टेट में होते हो और काम कर रहे होते हो. तो आई वॉन्टेड टू टच दैट पॉइंट दैट हाउ दीज वैल्यूज, you being in industry, you have kept that touch with your mother, and
Yeah.
Emin has got it. So
I think you have to make a lot of effort because हमारा Eman grew up like that.
yeah,
She grew up mainly with somebody taking care of her, some help taking care of her. Uh, Vivek's family lives in Gujarat. My family lives in Pune. Uh, but for a long time, मेरे neighbors होते थे गोरेगांव में, which was a Muslim family.
okay,
तो एमन वहाँ भी बहुत रहती थी उनके साथ. तो वो उसकी एक अडॉप्टेड नानी हो गई थी. अम्मा जो थी वो भी अभी कुछ साल पहले ही she passed away. So like I told you earlier that even when I was at FTI, there were so many people
who was taking
who were
care?
taking care of her. I think you have to accept that help, and you have to accept those people in your life wholeheartedly and trust them to talk to your child and give. And sometimes those values might not be exactly the values that you share in common, but they can always be, again, they can always be points of conversation, points of discussion. So वो एफर्ट विवेक और मैंने बहुत किया है कि रेगुलरली पूना जाना टू बी विथ माय मदर एंड रेगुलरली बड़ौदा जाना टू बी विथ हिज पेरेंट्स, so that we could give that to Aman constantly कि there's ऐसा नहीं है. Vivek is also very attached to his
Yeah,
family,
yeah.
so it's not like we are just floating in
Yeah.
some isolated
Yes,
space.
yes.
तो वो कनेक्शंस तो थोड़ा मतलब पकड़ के बनाने पड़ते हैं.
Right.
वो नेचुरल कोर्स में नहीं बनते
नहीं
हैं
होता
वो.
है. You have
हाँ.
to put in efforts.
You have to put in that effort.
When did you meet Vivek ji?
Actually, we met at FTI. We were in the same class.
Okay.
And then later, after FTI, when I had a divorce,
Okay.
we met again.
Okay.
And after FTI, we were both in a different world and had no connection with each other.
Okay.
But after my divorce, we met again and yeah, we got together.
That's so beautiful. Badulji, I would like you to say, give some beautiful message to your audience, to your people who keep reading you, keep listening to you. आपके व्लॉग्स पढ़ते हैं, जो आपको फॉलो करते हैं, जो लोग जिन्होंने आपकी फिल्में देखी हैं, कि आपके जीवन में जिस तरीके के उतार चढ़ाव आपकी लाइफ में आए हैं और जिस तरीके से आपने एक स्टेबिलिटी रख के अपने आप को संभाल कर अपनी जिंदगी की नैया चलाई है. सो हाउ वन शुड कंडक्ट अ लाइफ और हाउ you will be able to guide them in their life. I would like you to say something.
I just feel, like when it comes to young people,
Yeah.
I feel a lot of love for them.
Okay.
And I feel ki somehow, like when I see, when people are young and इतने सारे tension होते हैं, इतना सारा confusion होता है ना कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा. You have so much of confusion about your relationships and your work and where you will be in your life and all of that. And I feel so much love and so much protectiveness about them. And I just want to say, like, it'll be okay. Like, everything will be okay. And you just need to, like, I tell Eman that also.
Yeah.
कि the only thing you need to hold on to is yourself, वो जो अपना कोर है ना, उसको टाइट पकड़ के रखना है.
Right.
That, like, you have to like not let the world's experiences make you lose your own kindness, your own joy,
Yeah. Your essence.
your essence. Yeah.
Yeah. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. It was like, wonderful talking to you. I want you to like, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि अगर मेरे से कुछ मैं पूछना आपको भूल गई हूँ तो आप अपने हिसाब से अपने आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहोगे ये कन्वर्सेशन में.
I don't think आपने बहुत सारे पहलुओं को you have touched on so many
Yeah.
different aspects.
Yeah.
And I think it's been a very honest conversation.
मेरा हमेशा इच्छा यही रहती है और इंटेंट यही रहता है कि मेरे साथ में जो भी व्यक्ति आई है वो अपने आप में एक हीरोइक जिंदगी जी कर आई है और उनकी जिंदगी का जो जेन्यून हिस्सा है बिना किसी आडंबर के, बिना किसी फेक पने के, वो लोगों तक सही तरीके से जाए,
Yeah.
बिना किसी शुगर कोटिंग या ज्यादा ओवर ड्रामेटिक बनाए बिगड़,
Yeah.
ताकि लोग जिंदगी इसमें से आपकी जिंदगी में से जो भी उनके लिए सही एसेंस हो
Yeah.
वो ले पाए और अपनी जिंदगी को बेहतर बना पाए.
Yeah.
सो दैट इज दी ऑलवेज कोशिश यही रहती है.
Yeah.
सो दैट्स
I think that is important also, ना, because हमको लगता है कभी कि you don't know
Yeah.
कहाँ कौन सी बात पहुंचती है और किसकी लाइफ कहाँ चेंज हो जाती है.
Absolutely.
मैं जब अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में सोचती हूँ या जो आप भी, आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ इट, there are just few key moments in your life, you know,
Yes, yes.
जहां पर किसी व्यक्ति ने आपको एक सेंटेंस कहा है, बहुत सारी कोई बात नहीं की है, एक सेंटेंस कहा है और वो एक सेंटेंस आपका पूरा नजरिया बदल देती है.
सच बात है,
So I think,
वो दिल में रह जाता है
yeah,
वो एक ही सेंटेंस, एंड देन इट बिकम्स अ ड्राइविंग फोर्स.
yeah,
सो दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड कि आपका मैसेज वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
yeah.
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपसे बातचीत करके. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you so
आप
much,
यहाँ
Aarti.
पर आई. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप सबको हमारी ये बातचीत अच्छी लगी हो और आपने इस बातचीत में से अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ लिया हो तो जरूर अपने दोस्तों और परिवारों के साथ में शेयर करना. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Aarti.
थैंक यू.